Alright guys, welcome back to the last episode of Eggplant, at the track anyways. So this is track day number 5, and it's mid-September now, and it's starting to get cold, and it's going to snow soon. So in Manitoba, we're pretty much done the race season. This is the last one. So right now I'm going to pick up the car, we're going to put it on the tow truck, and then we'll see you at the track. So let's roll that intro and I'll get this car to the track. Tires off. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and replace my brakes, which is a good thing because they're getting a little low. So, get the one caliper bolt off, lift this up, replace the pads. The rotors I'm keeping for now because they're, because I'm almost done with this car, so I didn't want to replace the rotors for one race. So, I got some cheap pads, going to throw them on, and we should be good to go. So that's what the old pads look like. They do not look good. Just got the new pads here. These look good. They will definitely last me at least one day.
Sorry, I got distracted.
Well, I got one in. Now I shall do the other. That's one side done. Next side is exactly the same. Well, it's a brain problem.
My brain doesn't have problems.
Well, mine does. So I'm out here in Eggplant. I'm just bedding in the brakes. I'm out at the skid pad. I got this nice, huge piece of concrete that I can use. So I'm gonna do some just some brake bedding so that my brakes are good to go for tomorrow. Well, the brakes are all bedded in, and now they're just cooling off, ready for tomorrow. Alright guys, it's early the next morning, back at home. Matt just pulled up. We got finished working on the car yesterday, got the brakes installed, got them all bedded in, tires switched over, all the fluids are checked, it's full of gas. So Eggplant's ready to go. We're just gonna head out now in our crew, and then we'll see you guys at the track. So we made it to the track. Matt's all radioed up, ready to volunteer. Legit. Eggplant's here. Wheels are torqued. It's ready to go pretty much. Just waiting for the driver's meeting and then get out on the track.
Yep. Got a volunteer meeting coming up soon, so
yeah.
See where they're going to put me today.
Yeah. It'll be a good day, man. If the rain holds off, because it's
we'll see.
Definitely going to rain all day today, but we'll get some laps in. So I just went out for the first practice laps, and you can probably see there I had a pretty good off on like the corner, kind of the little kink in between 2 and 3, and like corners 2 and 3, and so that was a lot of fun. Pooped my pants a little bit, but good thing I brought an extra pair of Gitch along, because man, that was kind of scary. Once I realized I was still on 4 wheels and I was kind of still alive, then I was a little happier. But I kind of just brought it in afterwards because I'm not sure if I did any damage, and looking around, it doesn't look like I did anything. The wheels are a little dirty, but nothing looks bent or like messed up in any way, so I think we're good to go. So the rest of the cars are practicing now, and then we do our first session of time attack. So yeah, so here's some more footage of me just cruising around. Hope you enjoy it. So it started to rain fairly heavily here. We're still running, but it's definitely wet, and you can tell by the footage that it's wet. But it's still a good time, and I'm actually learning how to run lines better, and how to run corners better. And so I think it's a good thing to be running some rain laps and to get that experience. So that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this season here. And thanks for joining us on this eggplant ride. It was a good time, and it goes to show that you can have a lot of fun at the racetrack for very low cost. You don't need some high budget, high horsepower car. You just get a decent chassis, something that's going to be reliable and cost efficient, and put a good set of tires, decent brakes, and boom, just go for it. So we had a lot of fun this year. Thanks for joining us on this ride, and we'll talk to you guys later.